already know what the fuck it is, man. Taylor.
Smoke kush, so I've got no stress. Stuntin', it ain't no contest. Diamonds all in my Rolex, cause I go hard like P90X. See you dudes copying our moves, now you following our steps. Little kids just in the mirror, all insecure, just trying to flex. Speaking of flex, shout out to Flex. And everyone else that said dude is next. Tell these lame niggas cut the check. Tried the rest, now try the best. Gangsters, trippy niggas, all here with me, nigga. My weed, so strong, my brain, so long. Ooh, outer space, so long. Ooh, my chain, pull up. Ooh, my bank, so long. Ooh, like I was playing poker. Ooh, poker. Ooh, my face all on the telly, so fuck what they tell me. I always keep it real, cause people love the real me. They ran up on my bus, cause police said they smell me. So me and LOLA, blowing smoke in LA. Flossin', straight bossin', take strands and we cross them. My chains ain't, they cost them. They hatin', we awesome. Fell back on drinking lately, I've been thinking. I've been partying too much and living like the weekend. And then I think about what my life could be. That's when I pour another drink and light this weed.
I heard you claiming you can get as high as me. I wanna smoke with you so I can see. I heard you claiming you can get as high as me. I wanna smoke with you so I can see. I heard you claiming you get real high. You smoke this half a pound and your brain gon' fry. And it ain't no lie. Go sing up, and my bitch real high. And it ain't no lie.
I doubt if they can go higher than me. They claim that they get high, let's see. I doubt if they can go higher than me. I've never been this high before. Levitate, rise off the floor. Elevate, get high some more. Drift with the wind to the sky, I soar. Like a bird, like a bird. I feel like I'm floating through fantasy island in the plane. Up in the plane, lost my vision. It's simply not in good condition that I mentioned. We go hard, we don't even leave home at all. So what the nigga do, we ball. So carry on. Really in the molly, clearly got me very crowded. I sit back, mind in the zone, not in my own. Need nobody, I can get high on my own. Yo, in LA, my flight already go. I'm in the sky, you ain't even left home. I black out my mind and I feel free to be whoever the hell I may wanna be.
I heard you claiming you can get as high as me. I wanna smoke with you so I can see. I heard you claiming you can get as high as me. I wanna smoke with you so I can see. I heard you claiming you get real high. You smoke this half a pound and your brain gon' fry. And it ain't no lie. Go sing up, and my bitch real high. And it ain't no lie.